In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Bancorp Bank mobile app. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, this process is straightforward and simple, and I'll walk you through each step. Let's start by searching for the Bancorp Bank mobile app. The easiest way to do this is to open your preferred web browser and type Bancorp Bank mobile app into the search bar. This should bring up a few results, but what you want to look for is the official Bancorp Bank website. You can typically identify by looking for the official website link among your search results. Once you found the official Bancorp Bank site, click on it and you should be directed to their homepage. Now, every bank has its own unique interface, but what you're looking for is a section dedicated to their mobile app. It's usually prominently displayed as banks encourage customers to use their mobile services. Next, once you're on the mobile app page, you will have the option to choose between the App Store for Apple devices and Google Play for Android devices. This choice depends on your device, so if you're using an iPhone or iPad, go ahead and click on the App Store link. For all other smartphones and tablets, choose the Google Play link. If you're doing this on your computer like I am, don't worry. Clicking on one of these links will redirect you to the respective App Store page in your browser. This is where you'll need to switch to your mobile device if you haven't already. It's important to download the app directly onto your phone or tablet, as that's where you'll be using it. Now, on your mobile device, navigate to the store page. Here, if you're on an Android device, tap on the Install button. If you're using an Apple device, simply hit Get. These instructions initiate the download process and begin installing the app automatically on your device. It might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the app on your home screen or in your apps list. Open it up and you're all set to start managing your Bancorp accounts on the go. The app will guide you through any initial setup processes or updates that might be required when you first open it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Bancorp Bank mobile app on your device. It's that easy. This app will help manage your financial transactions, check your account balances, or even deposit checks remotely. Thank you for following along today, and enjoy banking from virtually anywhere. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more useful guides.